Hey friends, it's been a long time since the last time I uploaded a YouTube video, so welcome back to my channel. I think okay na yan. My room is actually a mess right now kasi dapat maglilinis ako ng kwarto pero di ako nakapaglinis. And today is Sunday, ang agenda namin today is lumabas, mag-mall, and then magpapalinis kami ng kuko kasi I think 2 weeks na hindi na nakakapagpalinis ng kuko yung boyfriend ko. So, let's see, hindi ko alam kung anong magiging agenda namin today, but so let's say quick fit check. So my top is from H&M, and then my pants is from BM Suit, and then my footwear is from CLN, and then for my bag, I'm gonna use this Astrid Hobo bag kasi marami akong dadalhin today. So yeah, ito lang yung ating quick fit check. Let's go. Hey friends! So my room is really messy as of the moment. So this is my room situation as of the moment. Sobrang kalat talaga niya. And I think it's more than a week since the last time na nagpalinis ako ng kwarto. And ayan. So as you can see, andyan o, naipon lahat ng kalat ko. Yeah, I'm so proud of this cabinet kasi look. Until now, na-maintain ko na medyo maayos-ayos siya. Of course, don't judge me, hindi yan maayos. Friends, gusto ko lang sa inyo share to Manila magazine ko from ko nga. Pero si Ashtin kasi yung cover nila, ayan. I think more than a week ko na siyang inantay. And nakala ko di na siya darating. Pero I'm so happy, ayan. Congratulations, Ashtin. Ayan, I'm so proud of you. Actually, meron ako nito nung nylon cover nila nung si Andres. I think last May. And ayan, syempre nung nirelease nila nylon si Ashtin yung kanilang cover. Syempre hindi tayo magpapahuli, nag-check out na ako. So, I just recently got a new package from Round Love. Ayan, pang ilang package ko na to. Siguro, weekly nilang pinapadalhan ng package. So, unbox natin siya. Ayan. So, I think this one is a sunscreen. Bagong release nila na sunscreen. So, ito yung parang dalawa kasing version ata yung meron si Round Love. Meron sila ng parang birch juice, something. Tapos, ito naman is parang yung collagen variant nila. I'm not sure oh, ito siya. Camelid Collagen Sunscreen. Ayan. So excited to try this. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi yung sunscreen. Ito kasi guys yung ginagamit ko na sunscreen. Ito yung version nila na birch juice. Ito. So, meron pa nga ako dito na hindi pa na unbox. Ito meron din ako nung moisturizer, and meron pa ako dito na unpack na sunscreen. So, diba? Ganun ko ka-love si Round Love. Hey guys, I'm going to my friend kasi bigla siya nag-aya for a late lunch. So, ibibigay ko rin sa kanya tong in-order niya sa akin na microphone. She's also a content creator. So, sabi niya maglo-lomi lang. Let's see kung may iba pang plan. Pero biglaan lang to. And I think madali lang kami. Hindi kami magtatagal. Kasi nakapambahay lang ako, girl. Hey friends, at yun, magkikita ulit kami ng friend ko because we're going somewhere. And then, today is a very long day because today is also my ate's birthday. So, later, may surprise party kami sa kanya. So, ayun, nabangan nyo na lang ang aking vlog for today. Anyways, friends, I'm gonna bring this Sip to Glow drink. This is the 4-in-1 Brightening Complex and isa to sa bagong nirelease na Sip to Glow na drink. I'm gonna bring this para matry ng friend ko. So, let's see if ano yung reaction niya later. And if i-recommend niya din ba ito sa inyo guys. But this is pineapple drink. Kasi yung gusto ko last time is yung collagen drink nila. Anyways, friends, let's do a quick fit check. So, my top is from Shein and then my pants is from Zara. Fold. Isin natin. So, my pants is from Zara and then my bag is from Gentlewoman kasi gusto ko mag-tote bag lang dahil di naman ako lalayo. May mga asikasuhin lang ako today. So, ayun. And then my footwear, I think gamitin ko na lang yung sandals ko. Nasa labas, di ko na ipapakita sa inyo. So, yeah. This is fit check. Hindi pa ako nagsha-shampoo ng hair. So, expect my hair na nakaganito talaga. Anyways, yun lang naman. Let's go. So, dito kami ngayon sa Terata, dito sa Paulog, Albay. So, kasama ko si
Bel Mendoza sa TikTok. Follow nyo ako, guys.
meron ka din, di ba, YouTube. Pero meron siyang YouTube channel. Anyways, yung order ko is bulak silog. Tapos sa kanya naman is, pakita mo girl.
Silog. Yan, masarap naman siya.
Yes. So, tara, kain tayo. Ano gusto mo? Bakit kami? Anong gusto mong, Vines? Let's go.